Are you still struggling with mid tapers? Well, let me teach you the easiest method for beginner barbers. Start with your half guard lever open, creating a 1/2 inch guideline. And then with your 0 guard lever open, you're gonna create about another 1/2 inch guideline. Go ahead and close the lever and you're gonna attack the bottom line right there, flicking out and using your corners only. Now with our 1.5 guard lever open, we're gonna go down with the grain, making sure we get all these dark spots. And now going with our 1 open, we're gonna continue attacking these dark spots right at that line, making sure we get everything nice and even. And we're gonna turn the clipper using the 1 open, flicking out any dark spots that we see. We're gonna use some hairspray to get the hair to get really stiff and still, so it doesn't move when we line them up. And notice how much crispier these lines will come out once you start using this method. I love to use this chalk pencil because it's gonna help me create that contrast to when I want to make both sides even. It's gonna make it pop out even more. Of course, with the razor, I'm gonna shave it off. And with no guard lever close, we're gonna go ahead and just flick out that last line. And with some thinning shears, we're gonna get all the dark spots that we see. Notice when you're done doing this technique, if done correctly, your face should start looking something like this already, much more blurrier. This hair is really coarse and really tough. And using my own razor, my own brand, we're gonna slice and dice. If you're trying to buy that razor, the link is in the bio. And if you want to book a one-on-one class in Los Angeles, or you want to book an appointment, don't hesitate. Here the client there requests enhancements, but look at him, you know he's feeling himself. He even messaged me later at night saying I'm his new barber.